Number 3, and this is important, you need to talk to your bank. This is something I don't hear anyone talking about, and I don't know why. You need to call your bank. You need to figure out, number 1, are they going to hit you with some hidden bullshit fees every time you pull out of the ATM? Are they going to charge you like an international fee? Like they come up with some ridiculous stuff. So you need to call your bank and you need to figure out what's going to happen when you pull money out of the ATM. You need to let them know that you're going, because you don't want to go to freaking Thailand, pull money out of the ATM, and then they lock your card and you're just struggling to get a hold of your bank and get them to unlock your card. So number 3, you need to call your bank for those 2 reasons. Tip number 5, all right? You need to book the flight. Duh, that's obvious. You gotta book the flight. That's the scariest part of this, honestly, is booking your flight. Because you're like, I don't know what's gonna happen. And then you book your flight and you're like, yeah, it wasn't so bad. I gotta go now. Once you book that flight, you gotta go. So with that, I say, if you're gonna backpack like I'm backpacking, you need to have carry-on bags. And usually most airlines will allow you to carry on 1 big bag and 1 small laptop sized bag. And that's what I do. If you wanna know how I pack, I got a video that I'll do the linky thing with here as well, and you guys can check out how I pack my bags for trips. I recommend doing carry-ons, man. Like, you don't want to pay those extra fees, especially if you're taking these cheap airlines that I was talking about previously. They're gonna hit you with some fees to check a bag, and you don't want to be that one person who's out backpacking for a month with like a roller bag just rolling around. Like, take a backpack like that and take a smaller backpack that you can do day trips with and just pack your clothes there. Like, you honestly don't have an excuse that you need like extra luggage. I literally have a drone with me that I'm taking overseas, all my camera equipment and my clothes, and they all fit in my backpack and my little laptop bag. So make sure you do a carry-on. All right, step number 5. I'm pretty sure 5, right? I'm not counting, but look, step 5. You're gone, you're golden, you're going, right? So you get to the airport, check in, you go through security, blah, blah, blah.